Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today for unboxing and review I have this battery kit with the charger from the Milwaukee. This kit includes two batteries, 5 ampere and one charger, both for 18 and 12 volt batteries. Before unboxing, just 2 words about this, how much I have bought it. I bought it with the kit with the grinder, and with the grinder I paid $237. This kit and the grinder, I think very good price for such a nice set. So if you are planning to buy any tools, go through promotions from the Milwaukee, and this battery kit comes with different type of bare tools, and the price together nearly the price for the bare tool if you buy without any promotion. So strongly suggest you to pay attention on it and you will save a lot of money. As I mentioned, battery kit includes 2 batteries and a charger. Let's unbox and see what's inside. But before that, just to mention what type batteries we have here. Red lithium XC5 ampere, and there is a XC6 ampere kit too, but the weight and size 5 ampere is more comfortable for me. As well, they have forged version of the batteries. They are much expensive compared this one because they can give in output higher power. As well, this is regular charger. There are another version, a little bit different shape, which they called rapid charger. It charges batteries faster than this one. But I have another charger and the time is not something important for me for changing batteries, so I save some money on such features. Let's unbox and see what we get inside. Charger, course instruction manual, and 2 batteries. Let's open them. I will show you a very simple way to check if the batteries are new, original or not. Since I have bought this from Milwaukee dealers, so I am sure that I get original batteries and charger. But anyway, I will show how you can check if the battery is new or used or charged how many times and etc. But before that, just go through very fast the charger. As I mentioned, M12 and M18, you can charge both batteries simultaneously. It means when you charge 18 volt, you should wait till full charge, then use 12 volt charging option and vice versa. So it is not charger, you cannot charge both 12 and 18 volt batteries together. Some instruction, here you can see the lights, red, green, flashing. It shows and testing all conditions and situations with the batteries. Regular one, red charging, green charged. The rest is something faulty with your batteries. You can hang on the wall. This is 112 volt version because I bought from USA. I will change it to my local voltage, 230 volts. I will show in another video modification of this charger to use on 220 or 230 volt outlets. It inside has that capabilities. You need to change just one small part of it. So if you are interested, I will make another video. Go to my channel and you can watch that video. So the batteries, 5 ampere, 4 bars, all kind of information, production year and so on. This rubber, the rest plastic. So one click on this shows the charge. I need to recharge these batteries. So it's new, mainly they come not charged. But when click and keep it, now we will see, just a moment, that flash one time, flash these two lights, it means 0, 0, 1, 1. It means this is new battery. You can see it flash 3 times for light, 2 times and 4 times, and then some flashing here. In another short video I will show what means each of it, because you can get a lot of information from your batteries. This is they called smart testing. You can watch how many times it charged and other such interesting information. But for the beginning, for me it's important that I see that it is totally new battery. Again, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 for the first 4 light flashes. It means this is new batteries. So that's it. Hope this video is useful for you. If you have questions, please ask them in comment. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me make more videos. Thank you and have a nice day.